एक के बाद पेज लगा ली थी तो 40-50 हजार सीजन में पेज बेच ली
We
थी।
sold vegetables worth rupees 40 to 50,000. After that, we grew summer crops like cauliflower, brinjal, which earned us around 5 to 10,000 rupees. This is the way I earn our daily bread and butter. We heard about Ajivika Mission's loan and placement program, which we can get upon the submission of our documents. I tried for this and had sent two of my children in Raipur for jobs. They get 6,000 rupees monthly individually, and that is how I earn around a lakh rupees in a year.
अपना कमाई साल में हमको थोड़ा थोड़ा आंकड़ा नहीं लाख पहुंच जाती है।
शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना, इतनी शक्ति हमें
देते हमारी।
They came to our village and trained us in various streams where they speak about best practices of farming, self-help group formation and loan process. It is all their efforts. We didn't know much in our village. They came and told us about self-help group formation and its advantages. They asked every village lady to participate in self-help group formation, meeting process and other things. Earlier, whenever any officer visited our village, we used to get frightened and worried. Now, since we have formed self-help groups, we feel more confident. We can sit and talk with any officer. Earlier, we didn't even know about bank and its processes. Now, we tell other ladies in the village to form self-help groups and different ways how they can increase their monthly income in farming and in other things.
बताते हैं तो वही करते हैं। हमारे मोहल्ले में 4 समूह बन गए।
We have 4 self-help groups in our colony. Ma Ganga, Ma Narmada, Ma Sita and Ma Geeta.
माँ सीता और माँ गीता जी हमारे मोहल्ले में सड़क टोली में।
Ajivika National Rural Livelihoods Mission, launched by the Ministry of Rural Development (MORD), Government of India in June 2011. Through the support of World Bank, this mission aims at creating efficient and effective institutional platform of the rural poor, enabling them to increase household income through sustainable enhancements and improved access of financial services. We travelled from one end to another and found mission success stories in interiors of Madhya Pradesh. These stories are the blueprint of success the mission has achieved so far.
When we used to loan money from someone, we had to give them back in one installment only. Now with Ajivika's help, we can get money and return them back in more than one installment. It benefits us. When there is less work, we invest money in purchasing raw materials.
मेरा नाम शहनाज है।
My name is Shehnaz and I have formed a self-help group to run my lark business. I lent money from the group. We used to have at least one meeting in a month. In the beginning, I borrowed 7,500 rupees and then another 12,500 later. That makes it around 20,000 rupees. Our self-help group's name is Lakshmi and I am running this lark bangles business through the help of this mission.
बहुत परिवर्तन आया, मैं मेरे पति की हेल्प करती हूँ।
I have seen things change. I help my husband in our daily earnings. Earlier, we used to get troubled with our low income. My husband couldn't earn much. But now, since I have joined a self-help group, I could help earn some extra money for me and my family. I help my family and now it is a much better situation. Everything is going well. I had started a beauty parlor with a small amount of money. Slowly, my income increased. Then I bought a sewing machine and started sewing. I get help from the group and I gradually have set one thing after another. Although ladies of my group helped me, but now I need more money to increase my work.
सहायता करी सभी औरतों की वजह से।
महिला थी, वो अभी नहीं जुड़ी थी समूह में, और जो बाकी
When women were not interested in making a self-help group in our village, I used to go to every single woman's house to explain them about the advantages of making a self-help group. I went and told them about the self-help group's formation scheme and other related things, but they were little hesitant towards taking initiatives. I went and told them you can overcome your little problems, like if your husband is troubling you or some other issue.
परेशानी है, आपकी पति परेशान करते हैं।
बोलते थे कि वो सही है सारा।
Earlier they used to think we are wasting our time in this mission. Now they come to us and ask us about our techniques. They ask suggestions for organic farming. Now they are interested how we made it all possible. We don't have to go to anyone anymore. They come themselves.
मेरा नाम दुर्गावती पंद्रू है। मैं ग्राम खड़देवरी की रहने वाली हूँ और क्या बोल मारेवा आजीविका वस्त्र निर्माण समिति की अध्यक्ष हूँ।
My name is Durgavati Pandru. I am the chairperson of Mareva Ajivika Vastra Nirman Samiti. Earlier we were unemployed and there was no work. Then Ajivika Missions officer came to us and we filled an enrollment form according to our choice of training. I chose sewing work and I got trained for a month by Ajivika Missions people. In 1 month, we learned to sew bags, lures, school dresses, harem pants, among other things.
सूट ये सभी चीज़ सिखाया गया। सिखाने के बाद में हम लोग फिर इसके बाद
After getting trained, we realized we cannot get much work individually. And thus, we have put our minds in the formation of a group, a self-help group, due to which now we get more help from the market.
अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि अकेले काम करने में हम लोगों को मार्केट से कुछ भी सुविधा नहीं मिल पाती।
बहुत से उदाहरण भी देना पड़ता है कि दीदी एक मधुमक्खी है।
Lots of time we have to give examples. I once told them honeybee's story, how a single honeybee can't protect its nest and how they teach us the advantage of living in the group. Sometimes women ask that a single bee can also make the nest. I told them, if a person attacks the nest, they unite and chase the opponent, which they cannot do if they make the nest alone.
तो चावने के लिए पूरी मच्छर झूम जाती है।
पहले स्थिति ऐसी थी कि आजीविका मिशन में जुड़ने से पहले
Before Ajivika Mission, our economical condition was not good. I had to face problems for little expenditures of my wife. But now, since we have joined Gramin Vikas Ajivika Mission, we could earn a decent amount of money. And recently, we could manage funds for my wife's appendix operation in a private hospital.
आजीविका मिशन से जुड़ने के बाद जो मेरी आय बढ़ गई तो मैंने बढ़िया अपना निजी हॉस्पिटल में इनका ऑपरेशन करवा चुका।
He was a daily wages worker earlier. There was no profit at all. Now the situation is much better with the help of our self-help group.
आजीविका मिशन में मैं अगरबत्ती का परीक्षण भी किया और सिलाई का भी परीक्षण।
I went and learnt agarbatti training and few other things. Then I took a loan from the group and opened a shop near Baba Dev's temple. I had a very small shop. Then, after taking a loan, I expanded my shop. I earn 3,000 to 4,000 rupees now. I tell other women also about the advantages of making groups, how they can loan money easily from banks. I teach them about other farming schemes also, how they can make farming more profitable.
उनसे दूसरा खेती बाड़ी में भी फूल के वगैरह वो फल फलादी का भी लगवा देता है, उसमें भी फायदा मिलता है.
We are 3 people. Earlier we used to earn rupees 100 only, but now we earn more than 300 rupees daily.
पहले दुकान मेरी छोटी थी.
Earlier I had a small shop. Income was 400 to 500 rupees, out of which we could only save 100 to 150 rupees daily. There were other expenses also. Then we got information about self-help group formation. We made a group and I got some loan for my shop. Now my income is 300 to 350 rupees daily, and in a month I earn around 10,000 rupees.
350-340 पर डे का बचत है. महीने में कम से कम 10,500 10,000 इसी महीने में हो जाता है.
मतलब खेती बाड़ी भी करते थे तो सिर्फ मक्का ही बोते थे, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं बोते थे.
Earlier we used to grow maize only and nothing else. But now, since we have a well, we grow wheat, maize, vegetables and fruits. We got much help from the self-help group. We are 12 members in our group and we save on a regular basis. We get loans which we distribute equally amongst us. Then we invest money in purchasing seeds and farming related things. We got a lot of help due to the well in terms of irrigation. Earlier there was only one crop, maize.
उसके कारण हमारे घर में कुछ नहीं था. मतलब पहले सिर्फ एक ही प्रकार की खेती होती थी, जैसे मक्का.
तो घर का भी काम करते हैं और किराना दुकान का भी काम करते हैं.
I do household work and I take care of the shop as well. I go to the farm also. When I am in the farm, my father-in-law takes care of the shop. We manage to open our shop all day. We will pay the installments and will get a bigger loan for a bigger shop.
लोन लिया था उसको हम भर देंगे किस्त में. उसके बाद जो बोला गया बड़ा लोन मिलेगा तो बड़ी दुकान भी करने की सोच.
Through self-managed self-help groups and federated institutions, people in these villages have already reached to a total annual income of more than 1 lakh and becoming a proud member of Lakhpati Group. Mission's agenda is to cover 7 crore rural poor households across 600 districts, 6,000 blocks, 2.5 lakh gram panchayats and 6 lakh villages in the country to support them for livelihoods collective in a period of 8 to 10 years.